Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the page transition animation on Telegram Web using your PC. If you've noticed those sliding or fading effects when switching between chats and menus, and you'd prefer a faster, more direct experience, this quick setting change will help you out. Let's get right into it. First, open Telegram Web in your browser. You can use any browser you like, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, all work just fine. Once you're logged in and looking at your chats, head over to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up Telegram's main sidebar menu where you can access different sections of the app. From here, click on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram looks and behaves. Once you're inside Settings, look for the option called Animations and Performance. Click on it to open more detailed controls related to how Telegram handles visual effects and smoothness. Now, inside this section, you'll find something called Interface Animations. This is where Telegram controls things like transitions between pages, chat switches, and other visual movements. To disable the page transition effect, simply toggle off the option labeled Page Transition. As soon as you turn it off, the change takes effect immediately.